Good morning, students. This is Shashi here. So, in our previous classes, we were doing chapter exponent and we have completed up to question number 11. So, today we'll complete question 12 and 13, and tomorrow we'll start the same chapter but next exercise. Okay. So, today we'll see question number 12. Okay, how to solve. But before solving, just read out the question. By what number should minus 2 by 3 2 to the power minus 3 be divided so the quotient may be 4 to the power 27 to the power minus 2? Okay, so before coming to this question, let me solve same type of question but with very simple example. Okay, then you'll try to understand how to solve it. Okay. Now, if I'll ask you, by what number 8 should be divided, 8 should be divided by what number? Okay, so that the result or the quotient will get is equal to 2. So, by what number 8 should be divided? Okay, so this instead of question mark I am taking x, that 8 should be divided by x so that the result will get as 2. Okay, so how we'll find this value of x? X will be equal to how much? Since this is a very simple number, 8 will be divided by 4, so we'll get equal to 2, isn't it? So the value of x we are getting how much? 2, 4. Okay, this 4 how we are getting? Look at here, this 8 should be divided by what number? So that answer will get 2. So this 8 we are dividing by 2. Look at here, 8 divided by 2. So 2 4 is 8 we are getting. So answer we are getting 4. Isn't it? So how we are solving this one? So whatever question has been asked and whatever result we have got. So this 8 we are dividing by 2. So same pattern will follow for question number 12. Okay. Now look at here. What is the question? By what number minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 3. By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided? So this number should be divided by what? So I am taking x here. Should be divided by what number so that the quotient may be 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. This is your question. So minus 2 by 3 should be divided by what number? So I don't know what number it should be divided, so I have taken as x. So the result will be equal to 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now look at here. So earlier what we have seen? Same example we have done. 8 should be divided by what number? So the result will be how much? Result will be 2. So what we have done? This 8 we have divided by 2. So same way this minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 will divide by this much. Okay. So we'll do the same thing. Okay. So let's see what we have to do. Minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Now this number we have to divide it by 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. So the value of x will get like this, isn't it? This number divided by the result. So we'll get this x value. Now divide it. This much part you can do. First of all, exponent here is what? Look at here. Exponent is minus 3. Okay. And here also exponent is minus 2. So to make the exponent from minus 2 plus, what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal. So what we'll do? 3 by minus 2 and its exponent will become, from minus it will become plus. Now divided by 27 by 4 to the power, now it will become 2. Okay, now how much you will get after this? So 3 by minus 2, that means what? And its power is 3, means 3 by minus 2 into 3 by minus 2 into 3 by minus 2. Okay, now this division sign, if we'll change into multiplication, then this 4 by 27, it will become its reciprocal. So 4 will go up by 27 and its power is 2. So we'll multiply 2 times 4 by 27. Okay, we'll get 4 by 27. Now cancel it. Okay, so you have to just simplify it. So minus 2 into 2, it will become what? Plus 4. This plus 4 and this plus 4 will be cancelled. Okay, now this minus 2, this minus 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2, it will get plus 4. So overall we are getting here minus 2. Okay, now this 3 9 27 cancel, and this 3 9 27, this 3 also cancel. Okay, so overall in the numerator, what we'll get here? So overall in the numerator, what we should get? I'm taking another color. Okay, so in the numerator what we are getting? This 3 and this minus 2. Okay, this 3 can be also cancelled. 3 3 9. So in the numerator, finally we are getting how much? Finally in the numerator we are getting only minus 2. And in the denominator, how much we are getting? This 9 and this 3. 9 3 27. So overall minus 2 by 27 is your answer. Okay, so what we have done, simply whatever result we have got, this part, this much we have divided by 4 by 27 to the power minus 2, and this is your final answer, minus 2 by 27. So I hope this is clear to you. Now come to this part, question number 13. 5 to the power 2x plus 1, its exponent is 2x plus 1, divided by 25 is equal to 125. What will be the value of x? Okay, so in class 7 you must have studied, that 5 into 5 can be written as what? 5 square, or 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. If I am multiplying 5 4 times, 4 times 4, then how much we are getting? 5 to the power 4. Similarly 5 if you multiply 3 times, then how much I can write? In the exponent form, 5 multiplied 3 times, so it can be written as 5 to the power 3 in the exponent form. This way we can write. Okay, now we'll try to solve question number 12. So it's given, 13, question number 13 is given 5, question number 13 is given 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25, which is equal to 125. Okay, now look at here, 5, its exponent is given 2x plus 1, and here 25 can we write in the exponent form? 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 25 can be written as 5 into 5, that is your 5 square. So 25 can be written as exponent form 5 to the power 2. Similarly 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So in exponent form we can write 125 as 5 to the power 3. Okay, why we are changing? Because this part. In exponent we have got 2x. So all the numbers we have to write in exponent form. Okay, so just look at here. Okay, now so this part can be written as 5 to the power 2x, 5 to the power 2x plus 1 and divided by 25 can be written as 5 square, 5 to the power 2, 5 into 5, and which is equal to 125. 125 just now I told you that it can be written as 5 to the power 3. Now this 5 is also, this 5 its exponent is 2x plus 1, this 5 its exponent is 2, and this 5 its exponent is 3. Okay, now here it is division sign. Okay, now so already we have studied about a to the power m divided by a to the power n. What we get? A to the power m minus n. Can you see it is in the same form? 5 to the power something 2x plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2. It is in the same form. In place of a there is 5 and in place of m there is 2x plus 1. In place of n there is 2. Okay, it is given in the same form. So we can write in this form a to the power m minus n. Okay, so we'll see this part. So what we'll get here? 5 to the power 2x plus 1. This is your m. Now n, what is your n? This 2. So minus 2. So overall this much exponent we are getting, which is equal to 5 to the power 3. Now this 2x plus 1, 1 minus 2, how much will get? Minus 1. So overall its exponent will get 5 to the power 2x minus 1, which is equal to 5 to the power 3. Now look at here. This LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, here also 5 is there base number, here also 5 is there in the base number. Okay, but exponent are different. Exponent are different. When LHS and RHS all are equal, both are equal, and exponent are different, so if it will become 5 to the power 3, then LHS will become equal to RHS. That means 2x minus 1 we have to equal to equate 2x minus 1 will be equal to 3. Okay, this part will be equal to 3, then only both LHS and RHS will be equal. So 2x minus 1 we are equating as 3. Okay, so what we are getting? 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So the value of 2x, how much will get? 2x, this minus 1 will become plus this side, 3 plus 1. So the value of 2x will get how much? 4. So the value of x how much will get? 4 by 2. This 2 here it will be divided. So the value of x how much will get? 4 divided by 2 will get 2. So this is your final answer. The value of x will get 2. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So in the same format I am giving you 2 questions. You have to solve it. 6 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 36 is equal to 216. So you have to find here x. Okay, now second question. 7 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 49 which is equal to 343. Here also you have to find x. Okay, this is on the same format and you have to find it out. Okay, So I hope this is clear to you, isn't it? And tomorrow we'll start the new exercise. Okay, so almost all the question I have discussed, and I hope it is clear to you, and see you in the next class. Thank you.